Okay, should we just do the job yantra once and then take
Yes,
on a few more?
yes, yes.
Okay, all right.
And I will explain how to make the job yantra too.
Yes.
Okay.
And while this is opening up, Upmaji, I have to say, first of all, when you said that, you know, from Om itself, all the shapes come out,
Yes.
uh, I actually didn't know that. So, fresh piece of information. And secondly, when you started talking about the yantras, and then I was like, that's going to be tough to make the geometrical ones. And then he said, no, it's as simple as this. Super
Yes.
happy, sigh of relief, looking forward. Oh, there it is.
Yes.
Yes, please.
So for getting the job, you have to make the 4 by 4, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this way, vertical and horizontal and vertical 4 by 4 square boxes. You have to make a this kind of box. Now, it's not necessary you have to write down this way or this way, but it is compulsory if you are writing this way. So if you start from here till going here, then left to right is fine, or from up to down, but do not do from down to up. Do not go from down to up. Either from up to down or left to right. This way you have to do, and you all might have got the job yantra. I'm just explaining this way you can do, like writing the 9, then here I am writing number 16, then we will write here number 5. So these numbers which I am placing, they are specific. There is a specific reason for writing these numbers. So you cannot change the numbers, like you cannot write 7 here and 9 here. So numbers which are placed in which any particular box, you have to write them like that way. But that is easy for you. You can take a 2 inches line from here, 2 inches line from here. So 2 by 2 inch square box you can create, and then 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters line you can make, or 1.5 centimeters lines you can make. So that is up to you, because here how much distance of line you are creating, it is not essential, but how we are writing the numbers, that is essential. So you can do in this way. Okay, is there any question here? I
Well,
think it
actually,
is
lots of
very
questions, Upmaji. Before I take it on, when you said at the beginning 4 by 4 boxes, it does not mean it has to be a 4 inch by 4. You can do this on a 2 inch by 2 inch also,
yes,
right?
yes, 2 by 2 inch, because 4 inch by 4 inch will become a too big. Because
Right.
after making this, we have to keep in a pouch. It could be a cloth pouch or jute pouch, any kind of pouch.
Okay.
This way, you have to make it. You will get this for image of the yantra in the group, and this way you have to create it.
Lots of questions coming in, Upmaji. So,
Yes.
just going to ask Himani, you've asked two questions. I'm going to take the first one right now. What are the rituals that you need to go through before making, like, you know, while making the mantra? And is it important to do it on blank paper?
Yes, it is important to do on a blank paper, and do only on the white sheet of paper. So do only on the white sheet of paper. The other thing is like this job yantra. Job yantra should be made on the Thursday. So like tomorrow is the Thursday. So you can make it tomorrow. Then what you have to do, uh, either make it on the till 11 a.m. or after 5 p.m. Don't make it in the afternoon. If you are making in the afternoon, 11:45 till 12:15 is a very auspicious timing daily. So you can choose that timing. Otherwise, from 1 p.m. till 4 p.m. is normally not considered as a good period. So avoid that. Either do 11 before 11 a.m. or till 11 a.m. or do after 5 p.m. Anytime from 5 p.m. till midnight, 12 p.m. midnight 12, we can create the yantra. The second thing, like you had decided to make it today. So take bath, wear a nicely washed clothes or a new clothes to enrich your energies. Light a ghee diya in your puja room, or if you are having altar, just light some candle diya, or scented candles can also be used there. Then um, keep a white piece of sheet, and for particularly job you need to use the uh, blue ink. So keep a blue ink. You can also place scale so that you can make a 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, but don't make very large. Otherwise, you will not be able to keep it in a pouch, or you will not be able to see it daily. Because what we have to do once we make this, like you had kept the diya, then you just sit down, do some breathing exercise, enrich your energies, ask the divine to come and bless you, guide you, and then start making this yantra. After completion of yantra, keep the yantra in the feet of Lord, whoever you wish, like Lord Ganesha or any divine, and do some prayers or do only some chanting of Om. Then ask the divine, I want a job. Like if someone is having existing job, but they are looking for some new opportunity. So what kind of opportunity you are looking? Ask them to the divine in your prayers. If you are not having any job and you are looking for a new job completely, then uh, do the prayers for that particular job. After doing prayers, take the yantra and keep in a pouch. So it could be the blue cloth pouch, or if you are not having the blue colored pouch, then you can take a blue color envelope. If you are not having blue color envelope, then use the blue color file. So I'm giving you three options: either keep in the blue color cloth pouch, envelope, or a file. Something could be easily you can get it. Now, when you place the yantra in this thing, daily either take out this yantra from the pouch, envelope, or just the other, like which you had not kept. Just daily chant the numbers like you are chanting the mantras. Like for example, for a job purpose, 9, 16, 5, 4, 7, 2, 11, 14, 12, 13, 8, 1, 6, 3, 10, 15. So how you had created left to right or up to down, up from upside to downside, whatever way you had written, in that same manner, just chant it daily. This way, your energies will get aligned with the yantra, and keep doing this. So at one time, like in the morning, if you are doing this, chant it for the either 6 times, 9 times, or 11 times. Then you can place it. You can place this yantra or this pouch on your office desk, drawer, or you can place in your bag. When your wish get fulfilled, after that, just take out the pouch, keep it in your left palm, cover it with the right palm, then just say, all the energies are coming in my heart. So this way, feel the energies coming in your heart. Then just say, thank you for blessing me. Now, this has become a small, simple paper. Thank you. Now you can take this paper and burn it in the flame of candle or diya. Now take the ashes. So do this thing carefully and take the ashes. You can bury this ash in the soil, or somewhere, if you are having some flowing water, river kind of, there also you can throw it. This is the complete
Amazing.
process.
And this last step is when the reason why you made the yantra has been fulfilled, right?
Yes.
Upma ji, questions pouring in. Half the questions I know you've already answered, but we'll just do a quick recap because this would apply for all the yantras, this basic procedure of how to light the diya, doing the prayer, activating it, putting it. So